It's 2021. Happy New Year. I'm going to give you 5 top reasons people will go solar this year. Now, I've taken some clips all over Tampa, Florida, which is where I live. Hopefully, you'll get some good tips here. Now, there's a big tax credit for going solar in 2021, 26%. That tax credit could be worth anywhere between $5,000 or $15,000, and that's a big deal. Now, the U.S. government is doing this because they think enabling homeowners to power their own homes is better than subsidizing big, giant gas plants or coal plants. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about this, I suggest you take a look, dig in a little bit. We've got some resources for you, but the ITC is definitely a big deal. In 2020, a lot of us spent a lot of time at home, and unfortunately that meant we spent a lot of time using a lot of energy, which means our energy bills went way up. Now, a lot of homeowners are now starting to turn to solar in order to lower those utility bills. It's a good idea because it's a great way to save money. Now, the biggest reason people will go solar in 2021 is savings. That's right, both short-term and long-term. Now, in the long term, people can save tens of thousands of dollars. And in the short term, people are utilizing solar loans to save money on a monthly basis. Now, the real big piece though here is actually the long-term savings. That's the real driver here, because people at the end of the day can end up saving $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 or more on their utility bills. That makes solar an investment, and that's why people are really looking to pursue solar as it is. Again, you can still save money in the short term as well, but really people are looking at those long-term savings. Now, lots of people have said, hey, I'm waiting for the right moment for solar. I'm waiting for it to be here. I'm waiting for the price maybe to be lower. Well, I got to tell you, in 2021, solar is here. It's ready for you. The prices have come way down. The engineering is top notch. If you have solar on your home now in 2021, your home is a state-of-the-art home. Solar is ready for you to take advantage of the free energy from the sun. Another reason people are feeling good about going solar is that solar energy is just better energy. What would you rather do? Would you rather have clean power harvested at your own home that's affordable? Or would you rather pay more for dirty power that you have to buy from a utility company? The decision's kind of easy, right? And that's the whole deal. People feel good about this because you're doing a good thing. So now you've heard the top 5 reasons other people might go solar. You might be more interested. If so, that's great. Go ahead, push like below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below as well. We're going to be coming out with more information, more in-depth information, and you can also find it on our website, solarknowledge.org. We'll be coming out lots more stuff here, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining.